Moon in Australia.
It's day 7, I think.
Galing ah. You know it? Yeah, it's day 7.
Hmm.
And it's super cold.
It's
Super cold. What's the temperature today? It's, let's see, let's show them. Oh, it's unavailable. Give me a sec.
what's the temperature?
Yeah.
What's the temperature?
Hold on. Temperature today is. You read.
Nah.
Read it. The number.
1117.
That's 11.7. But feels like.
40.
Ano 40?
40.
Oh, 40. Feels like 11. No. 11 feels like what? Dang, feels like 4. I'm just gonna stay here and be comfy. So, ito yung nangyayari. Bakit sobrang lamig? Look at that, yung bag. Look at the bag. See? It's freaking windy. And sabi nila kuya, ganyan daw talaga. Normal. So, good luck. Paano maglabas? Australia. Let's see. Lagi talaga silang may spinner or yung basa and then dryer. Well, ang galing, nerd.
I'm a rabbit that can jump higher than normal rabbits anyways. How do I change back? I don't like it. I don't like it. No.
I'm a rabbit.
Mama.
And I'm a rabbit. Sarap ng sinigang ng aking asawa. Gang sinig. Yan. Gang sinigang. Tikime. Tikime.
What did I do? You did it.
Good stuff, boss. Harap. Hop! Hindi ka daw papakita. Oh. Kanina it's windy, diba? Look at it now, bro. Sunny as hell. It's windy, coldy, and then but still windy though. Windy. Pero didn't expect that. Ganyan siya kataas. I learned today that in a cold country like Australia, pag naglaba ka ng damit with dryer, which uses heat, don't close the door. Don't be stupid like me. I mean, I should have known that, pero hindi. Ganun pala yun. Pag sinarado mo yung pinto, and then nga naman, moist, malamig na malamig yung lugar, malamig yung pinto, malamig yung pader, tapos pag nag-dryer, magmo-moist yung buong bahay. Or I mean, at least yung kung nasan yung dryer mo. And then magtutubig yung pader. My kuya just told me that pwede ako ma-fine pag nasira yung pader. And then nagsorry ako sa utol ko kasi yung pader niya, syempre. Who knew? New learning. And it's scary too. Imagine mo, magbabayad ka ng mawawala yung bond mo sa bahay tapos bayad ka pa ng repair or whatsoever. Scary, bro. Ay, walang basketball at wala pang laro ang basketball dito. Sa Friday pa daw, sabi ni Kuya. Ito muna sports natin.